no equal sides and no equal angles. This is a right-angled triangle. It has an angle of 90 degrees.
This is an equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides of equal length and 3 equal angles, each of 60 degrees.
This is an isosceles triangle. There are 2 sides which are the same length, and there are 2 equal angles which are opposite the equal sides. By the way, the sum of all the angles on any triangle equals 180 degrees.
Polygons are shapes where 4 sides are called quadrilaterals. Some quadrilaterals have special names. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. As mentioned earlier, a right angle is 90 degrees.
This is a rectangle. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. There are 4 right angles. If you add the angles together, the total is 360 degrees. Well, it's not only the square and the rectangle that have 360 degrees, but the sum of the angles in any quadrilateral is 360 degrees.
This is a rhombus. A rhombus looks a bit like a cubed over square with 4 equal sides in length. 2 opposite sides are parallel, but as you can see, it has no right angles. This is a parallelogram. It looks a bit like a rectangle kicked sideways. Its opposite sides are equal and parallel, but there are no right angles.
Some polygons or shapes are regular, and other polygons or shapes are irregular. If a polygon or shape is regular, that means that it has equal sides and equal angles. A 5-sided polygon or shape is called a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 equal angles and 5 equal sides.
This is an irregular pentagon. All the angles are a different size and all the sides are a different length.
A hexagon has 6 sides, and this is a regular hexagon and this is an irregular hexagon.
A 7-sided shape is called a heptagon. This is a regular and irregular heptagon. An 8-sided shape is called an octagon. This octagon has 8 sides, all the same length, and 8 equal angles. This is an irregular octagon. It has 8 sides, different lengths, and 8 different angles. A 9-sided shape is called a nonagon. So can someone say what type this nonagon is, regular or irregular?
Regular.
Yes, this nonagon is regular, which means all the sides and angles are equal.
As you can see, this is an irregular nonagon. A 10-sided shape is called a decagon.
We've only been talking about 2D shapes. We've also learned about 3D shapes, such as a cube, a cuboid, a triangular-based pyramid or tetrahedron, a square-based pyramid, a cylinder, a cone, a pentagonal prism, and a hexagonal prism. This is a cube. The flat parts of these shapes are called faces. These are the edges, and the corners are called vertices. The cube has 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We have also learnt about circles. This is a whole circle. Half a circle is called a semicircle, and 1/4 is called a quadrant.
There are 360 degrees in the centre of the circle. There are 180 on the diameter of the circle, and there are 90 degrees in the corner of the quadrant.
Two or more circles which have the same centre are called concentric circles. We have all drawn a set of concentric circles. The line from the edge of the circle is called a circle. The diameter is the distance across the circle. The distance to the circumference through the centre. The radius is the distance from the centre of the circle to its circumference.
If you draw 2 diameters that are perpendicular to one another inside a circle, and then join the ends, you'll get a square. 4 equal sides, opposite sides are parallel, 4 right angles. You draw circles using a pair of compasses. We have all drawn patterns using our pair of compasses.
Please could you put your hands together and close your eyes for a prayer? Dear Lord, thank you for your wonderful world of shapes. We thank you for Christmas when we celebrate your birth by putting up a triangular fir tree. And thank you that we can decorate it with spherical baubles. We thank you for all the Christmas presents that can be in the shape of cubes, cylinders or cones. We thank you for the Star of David, which represents the Jewish community. We thank you for birthday cards, which can be square or rectangular, containing special messages of love and blessing, which we get on our birthdays. We thank you for each day we see through the circular pupils of our eyes. We thank you for honey made by bees that is stored in the waxy hexagonal cells. We thank you for wonderful rectangular books with lots of interesting stories and facts. We thank you for hexagonal shaped snowflakes that we sometimes see swirling around in winter. We thank you for cakes and sweets that come in all shapes and sizes. We thank you for elliptical entities that can celebrate you rising from death. We thank you for our world full of exciting shapes. Amen.
Amen.